Kids Box 2, Unit 2, Lesson 2, Numbers. Alright, now we're doing activity number 3. And all your students are seated at the tables, and you can ask them to keep the activity books open, right? So they can have them open. So the goal of this task is to practice numbers, but also to practice a little bit of writing, but not just stupid rewriting, but trying to memorize how to write those letters. But you don't need to just give them a blank paper later on and ask them to write everything down. No, we're just practicing, we're learning in the classroom, all right? So, before we play that, we can also revise all the essential numbers, letters, right? That are always confusing. A, H, I, Y, U, W, S, C, E, J, G. Alright, so can you give me some letters? Letter B. No, there's no letter B. No, no B. E, of course, there's E. E, E. I. Yes. T, N. Yes. T. Yes. Double T. H. And what letter is missing here? This one. Alright, now. So what number is this? 13. Our favorite number. Say, can everybody say 13? 13. Alright. So now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't cheat. Open your eyes. What letter is missing? E. No, E is here. I. Okay. Close your eyes again. What letters are missing? T. What is after T? H. I. E. E. Okay, so of course I will be asking them to tell me the letters. And this activity, the aim of this activity is to draw the attention to actual spelling. So close your eyes. Okay, good. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. So right now in your activity book, can you find number 13? Can you find number 13? Yes, there is 13. And can you now write number 13? You can look at those letters here and look at the board. So we don't give them a full word, but they need to, there's some information gap, right? They need to think for themselves and do it on their own. And this is what you basically do with the rest of the numbers in activity 3. So there's a lot of games, there is some challenges, there's thinking and spelling and a lot of nice practice. And another thing that you can do in this class is you can play bingo game. But of course, you know that I hate bingo, that is just come and we copy tons of paper. No. Everybody, either if they have notebooks or just give them a piece of paper, right? And we just, as I ask them to write, can you guys? So this is number 10 and this is number 20. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 10 numbers or 11 numbers, yeah? And can you now, on your piece of paper, write 3 numbers? 3 numbers, okay? You can choose. It can be 10, you can write 15, 17, 19, 20. 3 numbers. Alright, so now I am acting as a student. So for example, I have number 13, 18 and 11, okay? So now I'm going to be calling out some numbers and you need to listen, okay? And you need to cross out the number that is on your paper. So let me give you an example. So I'm saying number 14. Do I have 14? No. Number 15. No, there isn't 15, yeah? So you can also focus on using there is and there are, yeah? All right. Because we always think how we can recycle the vocabulary. All right. Number 14. 14, is this 14? No, that's 13. So 14 is there. There is or there isn't? Ah, there isn't 14. Okay. Number 13. Is there number 13? Have you got number 13? Yes, there is. So you can cross it out. Okay? So there is number 13. Okay, let's continue. Number 19. Is there number 19 on your sheets of paper? If there is, then you can cross it out. If there isn't, sorry. Okay, so there isn't number 19 on the board. All right, number 11. Oh, there is number 11, cross it out. There is. Okay, number 17. Is there number 17? No, there isn't. There isn't. There isn't. Number 18. Is there 18? Yes, there is. All right, bingo. So if you have crossed out 3 numbers, then you've finished the game, then you've got bingo. And this is nice for dictation and also just practicing pronunciation of those numbers. And also you can use there is, there isn't. Yeah, and it's nice and quick, and then you can choose, select a student from the group to call out the numbers. Have fun!